So I have 6 pairs of these natural looking yearly color contacts from Anmabeauty that I want to share with you ladies today, or gents. So let's go ahead and get started. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyrie. If you're new here, please for me make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, but let's go ahead and get it popping. So yes, I am introducing a new brand for color contacts on my channel today. So first of all, shout out to Anmabeauty for sponsoring this video and sending me over 6 pairs of yearly color contacts to try out for you guys. Now you can wear these color contacts with or without prescription. Mine's are solely for cosmetic purposes, so mine don't have prescription in them. Okay, now I do want to mention that I do have a promo code. It's gonna save you a little coin. That's Carrie. But of course, all of this information will be listed in the description box per usual. You are free to use the timestamps, girl, if you just want to get to the close-ups and all that good stuff. I always provide it so that way you can utilize it. Okay, now first of all, I am going to dive into each color. I'm gonna give you close-ups like I usually do, and I'm gonna give you my little thoughts, what kind of makeup I might wear, that outfit I might go with it, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Spice it up, do something a little different. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just jump right in. All right, y'all, so the first pair of color contacts that we're gonna be trying out is the one that's already in my eye, and it's the same one that was in the intro, and this is NANAMI Petal Brown. Now NANAMI Petal Brown, super natural. This one is super natural. It kind of reminds me of what my eyes look like in the sun. You know, when the sun comes in and your eyes get a little brighter. That's what it reminds me of. But anyways, I think that this color is super duper natural. It's perfect for the everyday. So you can wear it just to be home, to run errands, to go to work, whatever you want to do. I feel like you could use this color and get away with just, don't it look like, it looks like real eyes. Like, it's so pretty. It is that brown that's more on the warmer side of the spectrum. So you know, like you have browns that looks almost gray or blue, and it's something more red or warm. We got the warmer color going on with this one. I absolutely love this color. If I was just doing it for like an everyday, a normal chill day, the kind of makeup I would do is just super natural. Maybe just fill in my brows, put a little mascara on, maybe some lip gloss. But you could actually wear this color, I feel, completely makeup-less and get away with it just looking like your eyes. Super natural, rock with a t-shirt, jeans. Like, this is the chill kind of color. Like, it just look like it's me. It's all me. All right, and I just wanted to show you really quick how I put them in my eyes. I just use the tools that it come with, the little tweezer to pick it up, and then this tool that holds it. That does make it a lot easier for you to put it in your eye instead of using your finger, and you just look into the mirror or wherever you're looking, pull down your lid and just place it on your eye. Is it that simple, you guys? It's really easy. If you're scared, just give it a try, just give it some practice, and I'm sure you will get it. Get a paper towel to wipe those tears, and that's it. All right, y'all, so this one is Chubby Orange. Now, Chubby Orange is really natural too. I feel like it looks kind of similar to the NANAMI Petal Brown that I just tried it on. They're both so natural. This is also on the warmer side of things. This one does have a little darker ring, though, of brown on the outer side, which gives it just a little more pop, like a little bit more design to the color contact. So, I mean, I do feel like this could be a nice everyday color contact as well. But if you wanted to spruce up your everyday look, like you wanted to do something more than a t-shirt and jeans, maybe you wanted to add little pieces of jewelry on now, you know, like some big old hoops, a little chain or something, maybe a cute little blazer. I feel like a little more makeup than just doing brows and lashes, like, you know, bringing in maybe some foundation or maybe just concealing your little dark spots, just something more natural but a little bit more polished, just because, like I said, it gives a little bit more pop than the last color, but they're both very similar, y'all. This is like a color that I would wear to like go shopping or something, because when I go shopping, I do like to get ready quick. Like, I don't want to sit there and do a full beat because I'm trying to run out the house, but I still want to look cute, especially if I'm going to like the mall or something. You want to look presentable. So I will put on something cute to go to the mall. I'm not just going to wear a basic like t-shirt and jeans. Something a little more cute. You know what I'm saying? This is those kind of color contacts. So this one is the Chestnut Milk Brown, and the color is super milky. The brown is giving like, it's not gray, but it's like a pastel brown. Like, it's really pretty. So far, out of all the colors, well, it's only 3, well, This is my third one. This is my favorite one so far. We have 2 more to try after this, but so far this one is taking the cake. I think this one is gorgeous. This one is definitely giving more pop and it's a little different from the other 2, okay? The other one kind of melts into your eyes. This one is still melt into your eyes, but the color is like, ooh, something a little different. This one is sexy, okay? This one is definitely sexy. I would probably dress this one up. Valentine's Day is coming up, so you could definitely get this for your little date night with your little boo. You know, wear a nice little smoky eye with a little bit of shimmer on a shadow. Put on a nice poppin' dress, something nice and sexy, y'all. This is the vibes I'm getting with this one. Wear it out to dinner or whatever you decide to do on Valentine's Day. This is it, okay? This one is it. Okay, y'all, so this one is called NANAMI Green. Now, this is NANAMI Green. Listen, okay, so we got a little green up here, okay? This one is super pretty. I'm getting like a green with a little hint of gray vibe going on with it. It's super duper pretty. This one is definitely bold, bolder than the last 2 that I tried on, and it definitely speaks for itself. So for something like this, I would kind of keep it cute a little bit. I would probably wear like the same makeup that I have on now. Something that's kind of natural. Not a lot going on with the eyeshadow. Just so the color is not overpowered by like some bold eyeshadow. Probably put it with like a white top or something like that. I love to wear bold colors with white tops. I just feel like you put something fresh and clean on something bold. It sets it off because all the attention is on the eyes now. I definitely like it, y'all. I definitely like it. I will wear this just about anywhere. Y'all know me. I don't care. I will wear it anywhere, okay? If we just go and run errands, going shopping at Walmart. But this is definitely like a photo shoot kind of eye. Like you want to do a photo shoot and like it's not going to be close up. It's going to be like a full body shot or something. So you want to put something in that they'll be able to see from a distance. This is that kind of color. Okay, so we're back on another brown color. This one is called Fleshy Brown. Now, Fleshy Brown is super pretty, you guys. It actually kind of matches my shirt a little bit. I think it's gorgeous. Like, it's a nice, pretty brown. Nice pastel chocolate brown. Girl, it's hard to describe these colors with that darker outer ring. Now, this is something that I would definitely wear with a little bit more of a spruced up makeup. So like I would probably incorporate some deeper oranges, you know, some browns into the eyeshadow and less natural. And I would definitely dramatic up this cat eye. Like I would make it like so thick and so big. I feel like it's something that you could definitely pull off with this color. Wear it somewhere like brunch with your girls or something like that. And you know, wear like a nice bright or white color. I think it stands out, especially when you're hanging out, you're eating good food, you're drinking, you're taking selfies and pictures. Your makeup is looking the way I just described it. Girl, this one is gonna do it. Okay, y'all, so this one is called POLA Violet, okay? Now, first of all, let me just say this. The color is beautiful. When I saw it in the case, I thought like, that's gonna be so bold. And when I saw it online, I thought it was gonna be super bold. Now, of course, it is kind of bold in my eyes, but it's not screaming, it's not scary. I love it, okay? What I'm noticing is it's like a light blue color. Okay, first of all, it starts off in the center with like a hazel or light brown beige color, and then it kind of ombres into like a light blue color, and then it ombres into the purple color on the outer side. So it's very pretty, and the way they ombrade it made it pull together very natural, y'all. If I wanted to be a little extra, I would definitely do my makeup up with like some oranges, or like how I have it, but deepen it up with a little more orange. Or I probably would do, I think would be really pretty with like orange and some pinks, y'all. You can even do like purple eyeshadow with like a little bit of orange and pink. I feel like something sunsetty would definitely go really nice with this colored contact. Like it's super pretty, y'all. And then like imagine topping it off with like a tan top, something beige, something earth tone, but I think tan or something like that would really go good with it, especially since the center of it is like that light beige color. Like this is so pretty, and I would honestly wear this like almost anywhere. I don't know, going out with my husband, like I don't go anywhere, I just go places with my husband like all the time. But this would be like this is a fun color. So if you're going somewhere fun, like a party, bowling, out for drinks, definitely try this color out right here. All right, so now that you have seen me try on all the colors, I'm gonna say this. Let me go back and tell you which one is my favorite color. Fleshy brown is my new favorite color. Fleshy brown, you know what? The chestnut milk brown. Listen, when you have fleshy and milk, you kind of think like they're supposed to give the same kind of vibe, and they kind of do a little bit. But the fleshy brown is my #1 favorite. And then comes the chestnut milk brown. That is my 2nd favorite. And then this color, the Pola Violet, is my 3rd favorite. And I did not think this was gonna land in the favorites. I thought it was gonna be like too bold, too crazy, but it's not. It's definitely not. Now, what I would say about these color contacts from Anmabeauty is they're super comfortable, so I didn't have issues putting them in. As you saw when I put them in, it just kind of plopped right in. I have to worry about any air bubbles, any water bubbles, anything like that. It wasn't moving all around, wasn't shifting. It was super easy to apply, and they're very comfortable. I don't have any issues with them at all. The second thing I would like to mention is they all look so natural, like so natural while still giving color, because sometimes color concepts could be natural because it's so dark and it's not doing so much, but these are actually giving color, but it actually looks real, and it all has to do with the way they ombre and mix the colors together. I think they're absolutely natural looking, and I love them. The third thing is that's it. I love them all. I don't have any complaints. I think the colors are really beautiful, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section below. I said comment section. Yeah, in the comment section. Which color was your favorite out of all 6 of them? You already know how I feel about it, boo. You know how I feel about it, boo. Of course, like I said, I will put all of the colors directly in the description box, so you can just click on the link and get to it, and the direct website to Anmabeauty as well with the promo code. Again, the promo code is going to be carried to save you some money, girl. And yes, that is it. We closing up. I'm out of here. And I am ending the video off with the Pola Violet, because somebody be like, what you had on that? And the last color I tried. Oh, all right, but I'm out of here. I'll see y'all later. Bye.